Hi everyone, welcome. This is SB Frequency event. My name is Adedunke Gomina, and today we're going to be talking about how to route on the DBX 260, and we're going to be showing you how to route the inputs to the outputs. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. So let's proceed as we do the routing. Yes, so to actually do that, I have to come to the config button that is over here. Then I hold it down so that I can put this in the config mode. So once it's in the config mode, I then go to the crossover button that is over here. X over is written X over. So I press it. And as you can see, we can see one by one filter. That's based on this setting that was done previously on the DBX. So right now on this DBX, we have 2 inputs and we have 6 outputs. So the 2 inputs we have are called A and B, while the 6 outputs we have are actually named 1 to 6. So what we're going to do now is, for example, if you want to route channels 1, 2, 3, 4 to input A, and we want to also route output 5 and 6 to input B. Let me come again. We want to route output 1, 2, 3, 4 to input A, and we want to route output 5 and 6 to input B. So what we're going to do here is we click with this select rotary knob. We will click it in and it comes to route. So once we are in route, then we now toggle this, this wheel back and forth, and as you can see, it changes to A plus B or B or A. So right now we've been able to route output 1 to input A. So to move to the next output, we use the next page to move down. So we click on the next page here, and we're now on the second output. So to route that, we now use the same toggle wheel and we move it to A, right? Then we keep doing the same thing for all the other outputs till we get to the fourth one, because we're routing 1, 2, 3, 4 to input A. So next page, then we toggle this to A. Now we go to 5 and 6 and we click on next page again. We're on 5, then we toggle this to B. Next page, which is 6, then we toggle it to B. Right now we've been able to route outputs 1, 2, 3, 4 to input A and 5 and 6 to input B. So once we're done with this, then we come to the configure button over here. You actually press it. Then once you're on config, then you come to this rotary here and you press it down. So once you press on it, it says configuration done. Press select to load. So this is the select here, it means. So we click on this toggle and you can see it says loading. And once this is loaded, we will now see that we have been able to route our input to our output. So to confirm that, we now go to the crossover button, which is here. And as you can see, once we're on 1, output 1, you can see that the A over here is highlighted here. So once I press crossover again, it takes me to the output 2, and you can see A is still selected. 3A is still selected, meaning that it's routed to input A. 4A is also still selected, but when we get to 5, you can see it's selecting B. B meaning that we've routed input B to output 5. So when we go to 6 again, we can see that this is routed to B. Output 6 is routed to B. Yeah, so we've been able to finally show you how to route on the DBX 260. Also make sure that you store whatever it is that you do anytime you you're programming your DBX 260. It's actually very important. Now we've been able to just scratch on just how to route inputs to outputs. Of course, you know that there is so much more to learn about how to use the DBX 260 or any other speaker management, and we've just scratched the surface just for the purpose of this video alone. If you want to know more details about how to use the entire DBX 260 or how to configure it, definitely you have to come for a training course with us, SB Frequency. We have so many training courses on the entire audio engineering module from beginners to advanced. So any other details you want to learn, any other course you want to learn about, you can reach us on our WhatsApp, on our contacts. All our contacts are on all our social media handles at SB Frequency. So like I said, if you have any other videos or any other topic you feel that we should scratch on for the purpose of videos, you can mention that in the comment section and we will see to it to try and do what we can, the best we can. So I hope you've been able to learn something on this. Like we said, we'll be scratching on some topics here and there, you know, just to help people on the go, just to help them with little details on how to do some certain things. So till we come your way next time, this is SB Frequency Events. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, like our page, follow us on all social media handles. Thank you.